Alright, this video is about exercise programs and how you should develop an exercise program. Alright, so before we jump into the video, please share the video, please subscribe to the channel so we can grow this. We're growing, but I need your support. I need you guys to support the channel. So, look, this isn't as complex. Like the word program itself sounds like complex. It's not that complex, but you do need a program and you need to switch up your routine. Matter of fact, let's get rid of the word program. Let's use routine. All right, how you need to develop an exercise routine, and that exercise routine needs to be forever changing. All right, you cannot stay with the same exercise routine forever. I've been victim of this. I know a lot of people have been victim of this. When you do the same workout consistently, and I'm gonna show you a diagram, but basically, when you do the same workout consistently, you'll start seeing progress. Progress will go up, and you keep doing that same thing, and then it'll start flattening out, and then it'll dip, all right? And then you'll start losing progress. You'll get frustrated. You'll lose motivation. You'll start eating shit again, and you'll stop working out because you feel like you're doing work for nothing. And that's why you need a routine. And basically, the reason why you need a routine is because your body's smart. Your body will do whatever you tell it to do. So if you tell your body to lift weights and lift heavy things, your body will start adapting to lifting heavy things. If you don't move your body, it will get tight. It will stop moving. But if you're flexible and if you stretch and you move your body will start moving. It'll become limber. It will stretch. It'll do whatever you allow it to do. So I say all that to say this. If you train your body to adjust to one specific workout, it's gonna adjust to that workout. So you need to change your workout routine all the time, right? And you also need to keep a log. You need to write down your lifts. I mean, it will speed up your progress big time if you're able to keep a log. So, so you need to make sure you're writing down your lifts. You need to make sure you're getting stronger. You need to make sure your workouts are intense, etc. So let me show you a little diagram. All right, so here's the diagram here, folks. All right, so look, this is you when you first start working out. You start seeing progress, you're killing it, you're like, oh shit, I'm freaking killing this shit, right? You're doing the same routine, and then what happens? Your body starts adjusting to the shit that you're doing, and it gets flat, and you're like, what the hell, man? I'm in here every day, 2 hours a day, 5 days a week, no progress, man. You know what? Let me just go 4 days. My body's not changing anyway. Then you're like, yo, you know what? Let me have some of that pizza. And then, you know, next thing you know, boom, down, right? That's your progress, right? You in the beginning, killing it, and then you flatten off, and then you hit the bottom because you just lost motivation. Now, what you need to do is this, right? You start killing it, and then you're like, okay, 6 to 8 weeks have passed. It's time to switch up the routine, man. My body's starting to get used to this shit that I'm doing. Let me switch it up. Boom. Now I go up a little more. 6 to 8 weeks pass again. You're like, it's time to switch it up because I don't want to plateau. You keep grinding. 6 to 8 weeks passes again. Boom. You switch it up again. And then you keep going till you hit the damn moon. Alright, that's what it looks like, boys and girls. The first line on the bottom is you doing the same crap every day, which is the definition of psychotic. Doing the same thing, expecting a different result. Alright, that's you, a crazy person doing the same stuff, then you flatline. Right? Then you lose motivation because you're just like, yo, I'm done with this garbage. And then boom, exercise career over. But this is when you have a regimen and it's forever changing. All right, so you pretty much get the picture, right? So that's why a lot of your bodies aren't changing, because you do the same exact thing every single time you come to the gym. All right, so caveat time, right? There are certain exercises that I always keep in my regimen. A couple. I do have staples to my workouts. So like one of my chest workouts, like I'm always doing some type of benching. Typically, I'm doing some type of incline benching all the time. That's always part of my chest routine, but then I swap it out. Now, you don't have to completely facelift your workout, right? Your routine. You could swap a couple exercises out, right? So you could take a couple of your bench press, some of your chest exercises and swap them out with different exercises. You can also swap out some of your leg exercises, all right? So you don't have to do a complete facelift. You could just change a couple things here and there. Now, here's another caveat, all right? Some people don't switch their stuff up at all, but they have a log, right? They have a log. So you can keep, like there's been times I've kept the same routine for an extensive period of time, longer than 6 to 8 weeks, but I was logging. So I'm logging my lifts, logging my lifts, logging my lifts. So I'm still getting stronger, but I still wouldn't recommend that. I still recommend that you switch it out. All right, so hopefully that helps. Hopefully you like my little picture that I drew, my artistic skills. Anyway, follow me on the gram. It's at King London Supreme. You heard me?